So let's go here and let's create a new workspace. Let's call it bookstore. And then let's import from our workspace postman. First, we import environments, so you have already the environments generated, so you can choose more environments to use. And then we can upload the collection REST services import. Okay, now we have a lot of services here which we can interact because we have authentication. Automatically, the runtime generates in the database one user. Then you can change the password, which is admin. And we select the development environment, which points to localhost. So basically, you can invoke other services, for example, for user management, for role management, for example, user list, but you get an unauthorized exception. And then first we have to authenticate. So let's get authenticate. We get our token, and then we can call our HUser list, and it will find one user. What we have to do now is we have to add our post call for book entity. So let's do it here. Okay. Let's change some parameters. Okay. Headers, we have JVT token, is okay. Body. Here we have to put the body of our book entity. So our book entity has the title field and ESBN field. We don't need the ID because it is automatically generated. So if we call it, the book is created. Let's generate some validation error. Okay, you can see here we get back 422 status code validation exception and the message that can be customized, and even the field name, book title. So it's entity minus field name. We can even generate the query, and if we call it, we have a libro legible. As you can see, the framework has added some interesting information because the ID, the entity version for optimistic locking, creation, modified dates are something that the entity inherits from the parent class. You are already done. You have to just develop your services and integrate with others in a domain-driven way.